Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm working on a winter landscape today, so I won't waste much of your time and we'll do all the talking while painting. So let's get started. I'll again be working on a canvas pad today and I'll be using my most favorite acrylic colors again. I always prefer to apply colors on a damp canvas, and you know why? Because it gives me a lot more time to blend the colors, as acrylics dry really fast and it becomes really difficult to blend them. Many people like to use gel retarders mixed with the acrylic colors to minimize their speed of drying up, but I prefer using water instead. Not much, just a gentle spray of water on your canvas and also on the colors on your palette, just to prevent them from drying up too fast. I'm trying to use minimum colors today, just the primary colors and a lot of white. The lesser the number of colors you use, the better you get at mixing colors, just to get the right shade of color. So I'll try to prepare all the desired shades using these three primary colors only. So anyways, as I've already told you, I'll be doing a winter landscape today, and for a change, this is not going to be all black and white and grey. Winters are not always that boring, guys. Now, I'm sure you must have already guessed from the small glimpses that you got in the introduction that I'm gonna be painting northern lights today. And just watch out how these northern lights add a plethora of colors to my painting today. So stay with me and watch me breathe some life and magic into this scenery with all my paint and brushes. I'm applying a second coat of color on the sky now, and it is very important to work on smaller sections at a time and also to keep your canvas a little wet, for which I am using my spray bottle. And yes, also keep a dry brush handy. I'm using two brushes of two different sizes, one smaller and the other one wider. The smaller one is for smaller areas and the wider one is for large areas. Have you ever seen the northern lights yourself, at least in photographs? One of the most renowned natural phenomena in the world are these gorgeous dancing northern lights. Rich, vibrant colors glitter and light up the night sky in a display of natural beauty. Most commonly seen are the hues of pink and pale green, but red, yellow, blue, and violet have also been captured. And the lights can also be observed in many different forms, from streamers and curtains of light to shooting rays. These colors merge so beautifully with one another, and so it is very important to blend them really well when you are painting northern lights. So I always prefer using a dry brush, mainly a wider brush, to blend these colors and paint this beautiful unique effect of the northern light. and this is how it looks. So what do you have to say about this beauty? I hope you like it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell notification to stay updated about all the videos that I upload on my channel. So see you again in my next video, which I promise will be an exciting one. And till then, keep painting and keep enjoying your art journey. Bye bye.